Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simple Futures. It is Wednesday and we're doing, Wednesday, May 24th, and we're doing post-market review wrap-up here. See if we can figure out what's going on. It's the same story as it's been, honestly. I got really nothing, a whole lot of new to say. You got to remember, here's the ES. Matter of fact, let's just go to a chart. You got to remember that this 4153 is there's two prices in here that matter. It's 4153 and 4140. It appears that nothing else matters. If I do point of control for, starting 1 year, or if I do it starting in April, or if I do it, it's all the same. It's the two major big HVNs are 4140 and 4153. And they're almost equally as important. Honestly, there's just, I don't know that I can say any more about one than the other. It's just kind of, they're both very important. So much so that today this crazy thing breaks. Remember I said look at 70 as support? Well, it traded 70 like almost to the tick. Bounces 10 and rolled right through on the second pass. It rolled straight through that. This was yesterday. And I was like, uh-oh, below 70. Remember I told you it's going to be 30 before you can turn around and say, 1, 2, 3, ABC. And, yep, it broke quick and in a hurry, like puke, all the way down here into basically 4120. And then, check this out. And then it gets crazy. Let's see, hang on, what's that? Okay. I've had nothing but trouble today with tech. It's been a very, very challenging day today. It appears though that we're still recording, so I'm just going to go with it. I mean, I can't redo this video. Not after the trouble that I've had today. I absolutely will lose my mind. So this thing goes out down here 41.25 today. The settlement, you never see this, okay? The settlement will end up being about 41.25 or 26. The close is going to be 41.51. This thing can't be any crazier than it is. Frankly, it's right where it ought to be at 41.40 or 41.50. It really is, because it needs an answer to the big question that the question, and that's the debt discussions and everything. So, hey, why would it be anywhere else but in balance until it gets the answer to the question? There's nothing more to say about this. We're trading the same market. It's a little variation. It's like, okay, we're 41.25 or we're 41.80. Zip, nope, doesn't matter. Everything comes back right here to the middle. And so fade the edges back to balance. How about that? There you go. That's your theme. It's a RTM, return to the mean market. Fade the edges back to the middle, and the middle is 41.40 and 41.50, and that's just all that matters. And other than that, crude is acting right. We ask it to go 74, back to 70, back to 74 to challenge, to breach, and on its way to 77. Well, that's exactly what it's done. So this is working. This is good. And we'll see, what's next. But the news is they keep saying, we're looking at June 1 or whatever for the deadline. Well, you're not going to get an answer till then, okay? Not if you feel like you got that much time before it's, critical mass, then that's how long it's going to take to get an answer. So you can just about count on that. So we're in the middle here and going to stay until this thing gets new information. The answer to the question, I was being funny in the trade room and I was like, okay, it's a deal or no deal, We'll see. Till then, take care, good trading, and talk to you again soon at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me